What did it for you? What put you in, pal?
I don't even know.
We're walking, and I was like, how are we gonna get into his car? If what if its velocity doesn't went down? I was like, what?
I was just walking through the woods.
This is way higher than when we were on acid.
This is
1 to 10.
This is a solid 12.
I'm like an 11.8.
That's what a 12 looks like. Dude,
Calm down. I'll murder you.
It's for the podcast.
No.
hey, earlier you saw my 33 when I laid down on the park bench and cried. That's a
I don't know how
33.
someone would survive a fucking curb stomp. Like, how? Like, I see,
you get curb stomps.
honestly, people give people curb stomps, and they're like, yeah, I got a big bruise on my head. I'm like, you got your head kicked in the fucking curb. How are you not dead?
They don't live. If you get truly curb stomps, you don't live because they make you. They're like, don't bite the curb.
Yeah.
You bite the curb and
They
it
put
splits
your boot
jaw,
in your mouth and they fucking just crush.
and it splits your jaw and you die. And then like, oh, dude, no, I'm so
And you're like, yeah, you get curb stomp, you die. But dude, it's on me. My little firm 3. My contractions are 3 minutes apart. Dude.
There's a 100% chance that it's impossible to get Brenner's car out without moving your car out.
Let's just scare the living shit out of him.
Yeah, we can't get it. We can't get his car at all. There's no way.
Let's just. Should I turn the video off?
Yeah.
Okay.